Welcome to southern France, where the sun-drenched Mediterranean meets ancient cities and rugged mountains. Over the next few moments, we will take you on a journey to some of the most beautiful and captivating destinations in this enchanting region. From the glitz of the French Riviera to the tranquility of Provence's lavender fields, we'll unveil the hidden gems and iconic landmarks. Let's begin our adventure. Our journey begins on the French Riviera, a coastline so iconic it has captivated artists, writers and travelers for centuries. The azure waters of the Mediterranean lap against the shores, while luxurious yachts bob in the harbours. Nice, with its elegant Promenade des Anglais, Cannes, renowned for its film festival, and Monaco, a playground for the rich and famous, all contribute to the Riviera's allure. Venture beyond the bustling cities to discover hidden coves, secluded beaches and charming villages perched high above the coastline. Here, life moves at a slower pace, dictated by the rhythm of the sea and the warmth of the sun. The French Riviera is a place that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Leaving the coast behind, we venture inland to Provence, a region that has captured the hearts of artists and poets for generations. Rolling hills are blanketed in vineyards, their neat rows stretching as far as the eye can see. The air is filled with the intoxicating scent of lavender, its purple hues painting the landscape. Quaint villages, perched atop hills, seem to tumble down the slopes, their honey-coloured stone houses basking in the warm Provençal sun. Markets overflow with fresh produce, local cheeses and olives glistening in the sun. Provence is a feast for the senses, a place where time seems to stand still, where beauty surrounds you at every turn. Our journey takes us next to Avignon, a city steeped in history, its skyline dominated by the imposing Palais des Papes. Walking through the narrow, cobbled streets of Avignon is like stepping back in time. Ancient ramparts encircle the city, their weathered stones whispering tales of battles fought and won. Every corner reveals another architectural gem, from the soaring arches of the Pont d'Avignon to the intricate carvings adorning the city's many churches and palaces. But Avignon is not just a relic of the past. The city is alive with culture and creativity. Each summer, Avignon hosts its world-renowned theatre festival, transforming the city into a vibrant stage for international performers and artists. Perched high on a hilltop, overlooking the Luberon Valley, lies Gourdais, one of the most picturesque villages in all of Provence. From a distance, it appears as a mirage, its cluster of stone houses seemingly growing out of the rock face. As you approach, the village reveals its secrets: narrow, winding streets paved with cobblestones, ancient doorways leading to hidden courtyards, and breathtaking views. The pace of life is slow, dictated by the rhythm of nature and the changing seasons. Locals gather in the village square, their conversations a gentle murmur carried on the warm breeze. Gourdais is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life, to reconnect with nature, and to discover the simple pleasures of life in a Provençal village. Our journey now takes us south to a land unlike any other in France, the Camargue. Here the Rhône River meets the Mediterranean Sea, creating a vast delta of marshes, lagoons and salt flats. This is a land of wild beauty, where white horses gallop through shallow waters and pink flamingos wade in the lagoons. Cowboys, known as guardians, ride through the marshes, herding bulls and tending to their horses, their way of life little changed for centuries. The Camargue is a place to escape the ordinary, to witness nature in its rawest form, and to experience a way of life that has remained unchanged for generations. From the untamed beauty of the Camargue, we journey to the rolling hills of Languedoc, a region renowned for its wines. Here, vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see, their neat rows of vines basking in the warm Mediterranean sun. The Languedoc region boasts a rich winemaking history dating back to the Roman era. Today it is one of the largest wine-producing regions in France, its vineyards producing a wide variety of wines. Explore medieval castles, wander through bustling markets, and savor the flavors of Languedoc cuisine, a delicious blend of Mediterranean and Catalan influences. The Languedoc region offers a taste of the good life, a place to indulge in fine wines, delicious food, and the simple pleasures of life in the French countryside. Our journey takes us next to Marseille, France's second largest city and a bustling port city with a rich and colourful history. Located on the Mediterranean coast, Marseille has been a crossroads of cultures for centuries, its harbour a gateway to the east. Explore the historic Le Panier district with its narrow, winding streets and colourful houses, a testament to the city's multicultural heritage. Visit the Notre-Dame de la Garde Basilica, perched high above the city, its golden statue of the Virgin Mary watching over Marseille. Experience the vibrant atmosphere of the Vieux Port, where fishermen unload their catch and locals gather at cafes to enjoy a pastis, the local anise-flavoured aperitif. From the bustling streets of Marseille, we journey to the glamorous shores of Saint-Tropez, a legendary destination synonymous with luxury, celebrity and the jet-set lifestyle. This small fishing village has been a magnet for the rich and famous since the 1950s, when Brigitte Bardot put it on the map. Today, Saint-Tropez remains a playground for the elite, its harbour filled with luxurious yachts and its streets lined with designer boutiques and exclusive nightclubs. But beyond the glitz and glamour, Saint-Tropez retains its charm. Stroll along the picturesque harbour, watching the yachts come and go. Explore the narrow cobbled streets of the old town, discovering hidden squares and charming cafes. Our journey takes us next to Nice, the capital of the French Riviera, and a city that tantalizes the taste buds with its vibrant culinary scene. Nice's location on the Mediterranean coast has blessed it with an abundance of fresh seafood, which takes center stage in many local dishes. Explore the bustling Cours Salée market, a feast for the senses, with its colorful displays of fresh fruits, vegetables, flowers, and local delicacies. Indulge in a plate of socca, a thin, crispy chickpea pancake, best enjoyed hot from the oven. Our journey through southern France concludes in the lavender fields of Valensole, a sight that will take your breath away. Imagine a vast expanse of rolling hills, blanketed in rows upon rows of lavender, their vibrant purple hues stretching as far as the eye can see. The air is thick with the intoxicating scent of lavender, its fragrance carried on the gentle breeze. Walk through the fields, breathe in the fragrant air, and capture the beauty of this unforgettable landscape. As we bid farewell to southern France, we hope that this journey has inspired you to experience the magic of this enchanting region for yourself. From the sun-drenched beaches of the French Riviera to the lavender fields of Provence, southern France offers something for everyone. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, bon voyage!